Session 4's topic is my most favorite, time management. I've mentioned this to you maybe a few times before now throughout the semester. So time management is the process of organizing and planning how you divide your time between specific activities. Good time management allows you to work smarter, not harder. That way you get more done in the time that you have, even when you're stressed or you're under a lot of pressure. And failing to manage your time damages your effectiveness, and it causes undue stress on you. It seems like we never have enough time in the day, but since we all get the same 24 hours, do you ever find yourself wondering why it is that some people achieve so much more with their time than others? Well, the answer is time management. High achievers, those most successful, manage their time exceptionally well. So, what is time management? Well, time management refers to the way that you organize and plan how long you're going to spend on specific activities. And it may seem odd to you that we're going to set aside time this week to do assignments that encourage you to learn about time management. But the benefits here are countless. You are going to see a greater productivity when you manage your time correctly. You're simply going to get more done. You're going to have better relationships. In college, you're going to have better relationships with your instructors and your peers. In your personal life, you're going to have better relationships with your loved ones because you're going to have a lot less stress. Hopefully, you're going to see that it positively affects your mental health. You're definitely going to see your grades increased. You're going to have more opportunities for scholarships and internships, and you're going to achieve more in the direction of your career goals. But if you don't manage your time effectively, you are going to see some undesirable consequences. You're going to miss deadlines. That's going to cause you to have low grades or failing grades. You're going to be less organized, which is going to affect how you get your work done. It's going to affect the quality of your work. And if you have bad time management skills in a career, you're going to have a poor quality of work. Do you think your boss is going to appreciate that? You don't want your time management to affect your professional reputation. You don't want it to stall your career or to affect a promotion. And nobody wants more stress on themselves or on their relationships. So spending a little bit of time now learning about time management and good techniques will have huge benefits later in your academic journey here at MASH and throughout your future career. So I truly want you to embrace the concept of learning about time management and thinking about time management this week. Your first activity will be the missed test journal. And when you open that, you are going to see a link at the top to read a case study. That case study is all about someone missing a deadline. You're going to read this case study and you're going to think about each character in the case study. When you get ready to do your journal entry, you're going to copy the names of the people in the case study and this section below that has some questions for you. In your entry box, you can paste that. Now notice the directions tell you to rank each character in order of their responsibility for Jane's being dropped from the class. So each one of these people are going to get a different number. The person who is most responsible for Jane's being dropped from the class, you're going to give a number 1 to. And then you're going to go up from there. The number 6 is going to be applied to the person who is least responsible for Jane's being dropped from the class. By each person's name, you can put a number, and then you can explain in full sentence form why you gave that score to that person. Remember, your input in your journal entries should be changed to a different color. This will help you see how much you've added. The final question at the end, which should be answered in paragraph form, is going to address this question. What should Jane have done differently to ensure success in her math course? Hopefully, you are going to see that Jane could have done some things differently to be successful. When you're finished with your journal entry, make sure you hit the button Save Changes. I'm going to hit cancel so I can go back to our course. After you complete the missed test, case study, and journal, you're going to complete the time management plan. Here, you're going to see that there is a video at the top giving you directions. You will need to watch the video. Once you complete that video, you'll then access the time management plan assignment. Remember, you have to be logged into your Nash Community College email account to be able to make a copy. When you get here, you're going to know what to do because the video has explained that to you. Please make sure that you reach out to me if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to help you. I hope that you find that this session provides you with the opportunity to truly research, plan, and reflect on what you're going to do to increase your time management. After all, it is the key to college success.